Click on the Step 4 tab at the bottom of your spreadsheet, and let's see which topics actually have the potential to make you money. You've seen which topics are trending and getting traffic, but not all traffic pays the same. Some niches have high-paying affiliate programs, and others, well, not so much. So in this step, you'll estimate how much you could actually earn from each topic based on the types of products they promote. It's quick, it's mostly just drop-downs, and it'll help you focus on the ideas that are most likely to make money. Filling out the Step 4 tab is a little more freeform than the earlier steps. You'll need to do a bit of Googling to get your answers, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it. For each topic, you'll choose the type of product you'd likely promote, the typical price range for those products, the usual affiliate payout structure, and the estimated commission per sale. Since these are topics you're already interested in, you might have a good sense of what kind of products you'd promote and how much they typically cost, but if not, here's how I'd go about finding that information. Start by Googling your topic. I'll start with homebrewing here. If the shopping tab appears at the top of the search results, click it to get a sense of what kind of products show up and who's selling them. For example, when I searched for homebrewing, I see listings from Amazon, Home Depot, Northern Brewer, and More Beer. Take note of the general price range and what types of products are being offered, and then back on the spreadsheet, select the closest product type and price range from the dropdowns. If the shopping tab doesn't appear at the top when you do your topic search, just scroll through the regular search results. Look for product listings, courses, books, or even blog recommendations. For example, if I search for personal finance, I see Khan Academy, Amazon, and a bunch of blog posts recommending budgeting apps and courses and that sort of thing. Once you've identified a few products, it's time to check if those companies offer affiliate programs. For the homebrewing example, I'll Google Amazon affiliate program, and sure enough, they have one. If the commission rates aren't clearly listed on the sign-up page or FAQ, like they don't appear to be here, try searching for the company name and add affiliate commission rates to the search. And here I was able to find a different page on Amazon's website with a table that has a list of the product categories and the fixed commission income rates for each category. This gives me a really solid idea of their payout model for the products that I would be recommending. You can repeat this for the other companies like Northern Brewer or More Beer to compare and see which ones offer better commissions or if any offer recurring payouts. There's no one-size-fits-all approach here, so bring your best Google Fu and internet sleuthing skills. The goal is to find a realistic payout type and a ballpark estimate commission for each topic. Don't stress about getting this perfect, you just need a rough idea of the earning potential for each topic for this exercise. One other search you can try is just simply to type in your topic and then add affiliate program to the search. Here you might get some blogs that offer you clear lists of what the affiliate program options are for you, as well as commission rate and who the companies are that offer the best commissions. Once you've filled out all 4 dropdowns, your earnings score will show up automatically. And just like the last 2 steps, the color coding makes it easy to read at a glance. Green means there's a strong earning potential with high prices, generous commissions, or recurring payouts. Yellow suggests moderate potential. It might be worth pursuing with the right strategy, but be careful. And red means there's limited earning potential, low prices, small commissions, or unclear payout terms.